You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this season, as well as how to say more names and vocabulary that is useful in English. Stay tuned, loads to learn here. Autumn is how to say it in British English, or stress on the first syllable. Now in American English that's said, well, fall. But if you want to say autumn in American English, the Americans would say it as autumn. Autumn, yeah, autumn. Autumn or fall. In British English again, autumn. It's easy, and you know now. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.